Why does a volcano bubble and burst like a giant fizzy drink? A real volcano is a mountain with hot melted rock inside her. When gas builds up, pressure pushes the melted rock upward, and it can erupt. We can make a safe model to show the same idea in a simple way. First, place a small bottle or cup inside a clay or paper volcano shape. Add a few spoons of baking soda. If you want bright lava, mix in red or orange food coloring and a little dish soap. The soap helps make extra foam. Now pour in vinegar. At once, tiny bubbles race through the liquid. Baking soda and vinegar react like two puzzle pieces snapping together. The reaction makes carbon dioxide gas. That gas gathers fast, pushes the liquid up, and sends colorful foam over the sides like lava flowing down a mountain. This is not real molten rock, but it helps us understand eruptions. Nature uses heat and pressure. Our model uses a safe kitchen reaction.